What is the safest non-toxic laundry detergent to use? The safest non-toxic laundry detergent to use is Truly Free laundry detergent. It's made without harsh chemicals, synthetic fragrances, dyes, making it great and gentle on your skin and the environment. Truly Free's formula is designed to be eco-friendly and safe for all the members of your household. And if you want to get a hold of Truly Free laundry detergent, use that link right below this video, where you can buy it from the official website so you don't have to worry about any issues buying it. And hey, while I got you here, let's talk about Truly Free laundry detergent a little bit more. My name is Vernon Brown. I am a father, I'm an entrepreneur, but most importantly, I am a human that needs to get their clothes washed. And if you're watching this video, I'm sure you have the same exact needs and concerns that I have, and maybe a few others. And I'm hoping, and I created this video trying to answer those questions to let you know what my thoughts or opinion about when I've been using a Truly Free home laundry detergent. The first thing I do want to share with you is you want to make sure you're taking caution and being careful of where you purchase laundry detergent from. You always want to make sure you purchase from the official website, which you can find in the description right above. You can click that link and you can learn some more about the product. You can purchase the product because that's exactly what I purchased it. The big thing we're trying to do is disrupt dishonest business practices, and that's exactly why you want to order again from the official website. But let's get right into why I wanted to buy this, how it's been working out for me, and quite honestly, like the ease of difficulty, and has it been really effective? Diving right into, my thoughts on this is initially I was concerned about the really heavy perfume smells that you typically get from leading brands, and we don't need to get into the brands. And what is concerning about that is those truly mask the odor. They're not actually killing the germs or killing the bacteria that's causing that. And I was a little concerned about this when I initially purchased it, but that has not been an issue. It has a super light but refreshing scent, and that's one thing I have to say that caught me off guard, because I'm thinking that, by the way, this uses 1 ounce. You only need 1 ounce of this to do a load of laundry, but I was worried that it might have a too powerful of a scent, or it might overwhelm me, or quite honestly, maybe irritate my skin sometimes. And I mentioned that we have eczema in our house. Sometimes there's certain detergents that just don't sit too well with our skin, and my son's at school saying I'm itchy and like different things, and we haven't had any issue with the fragrance, and we also haven't any issues with this bothering our skin, which is a big win for us. And as a side note, for the more technical side of things, I know we're parents, I know we're adults, and we want to make sure we reduce our bills. If you're using your washer and dryer at home, and if you have your washer and dryer, you want to take care of it, you always want to be careful with the lead-in detergents, because talking with different technicians and repairmen over the years, one of the leading causes, what is causing costly repairs, is using those ooey gooey detergents that were used in leading brands, which again was another concern that I had that I forgot to mention and it just came to me that I wanted to share with you. So let's talk about the delivery system of this. Let's talk about how you kind of set this up so you can get those fresh scents and fresh smells. When you order it, you're going to get a container just like this, maybe a couple of containers, depending on which package you order. With the laundry, it's going to come with a container like this, and it's going to have some individual pouches for you. What you want to do is unscrew your top, and then what you're going to do is put up the pouch, pour the liquid in there, and fill it with some warm water, shake it up, and you're good to go. This makes it so simple to use, and considering it's also non-toxic, but now you don't have these giant bulky containers sitting around. To determine the amount of detergent you use, it's really simple. You just want to consider the size of the laundry load that you have, and also determine what type of washer that you have. For most laundry, it recommends it's gonna be 1 ounce. And when laundry's extra soiled, that's when you might have to use an additional ounce. But still, that's 2 ounces. And I can attest to you, our clothes smell amazing. In fact, this shirt that I'm wearing is actually washed with the Truly Free detergent, and it's made all the difference for us because, again, doesn't take up a lot of space, smells great, is way more affordable, and on top of that, it's helping the environment. I'm not freaking making a house sick of toxins and chemicals. We've tested this on my son's grass-stained clothes. Yes, grass-stained clothes are the real deal, thing still. And it's gotten all the stains out, and they smell so good, even after those heavy gym sessions. So all my gym people out there, we have a solution. If you're not happy with the purchase, all you have to do is ask for a refund and you'll get your money back just like that. I made this video primarily because I wanted people to know there's an eco-friendly and a natural detergent out there that actually works, that smells good, and is safe for your family. But I also made this video to make sure that you are purchasing it from a reputable website versus going out there and risk losing your money. And you can learn more about that in the description right above if you have any questions. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch this review. I'm going to see you all next time.